The P0420 code appears when the engine control module detects that the catalytic converter isn't working as efficiently as it should be. The catalytic converter's job is to reduce harmful emissions, and if it's not functioning properly, it can trigger this code. But why would this happen? The first cause of a P0420 code is a malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter. It measures the catalytic converter's performance, and if it's faulty, it can send incorrect data to the ECM, making it seem like the catalytic converter is bad when actually it's fine. The next possibility is an exhaust leak. If there's an exhaust leak before the downstream oxygen sensor, extra oxygen can enter the exhaust, causing the ECM to think the catalytic converter isn't working properly. Look for any cracks, holes, or loose gaskets in the exhaust system. The next cause could be the catalytic converter itself. Over time, it can become clogged, contaminated, or damaged, reducing its ability to convert the exhaust gases. Sometimes, using a catalytic converter cleaner can help remove carbon buildup and restore performance. It doesn't always work, but it's worth trying before replacing the catalytic converter. I'll leave it linked in the description below. It's also important to know that if you have a misfire or your engine is burning oil, that can contaminate the catalytic converter and cause it to fail again. If you haven't fixed those issues, the new catalytic converter could fail just like the old one. Finally, a bad ground connection or damaged wiring to the downstream oxygen sensor can cause false readings. If the wiring is corroded, loose, or damaged, the ECM may think the catalytic converter isn't working, when the issue is actually electrical. Now, if you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.